Hi, good evening, traders. 8th of June, it's a Thursday evening, 9:19 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We're looking at the charts of Nifty, weekly, daily, and the 75-minute time frame. We have a bearish engulfing on the daily time frame. It was a turnaround of a day for the benchmark index, and the 75-minute time frame clearly reflects this turn of events in today's trade. Thanks to this 88 points down move in today's trade, the trend as well as the momentum in the shorter time frame has turned down. So any kind of an opportunity or any kind of a bounce back moving forward in tomorrow's trade, as long as it is below that 18,800 mark, is likely to face selling pressure. I sense that it's only above 18,800 that the sentiment, the bullish outright sentiment comes back to the market. So the question, the doubt that whether this bearish engulfing is going to play out or not, whether the index will break below today's low for a retest of 18,600 or maybe 18,500 or not, depends a lot on if we get a bounce back, will that sustain or not? And yes, if we get a breakthrough below today's low, then the follow through expectation can be there. Not to forget that we have a bit of a intermediate divergence going on the daily chart of Nifty with M1 momentum indicator. So it's going to be a tricky market for sure. But as I said in yesterday's video, the weekly charts are fairly strong. Many sectoral indices have hit a life high. So Nifty should ideally do a catch-up game. Not much of a damage on the weekly charts as of now. Another day to go to close the week. But I think it's going to be a tricky, interesting, volatile session for tomorrow. Bank Nifty, as we were expecting that if the market comes down, the banking and financials will lead the move, and it has created a huge outside bar. As you remember in my recent videos, I've been saying that the momentum is down in the Bank Nifty chart, and that's why the view that any kind of fall can come from this pocket. And we did see that how stocks like Kotak Bank, how the stock like HDFC Bank, or if we go to financials, HDFC slipped considerably from their day's high. However, the Bank Nifty has moved into a short-term downtrend. The momentum is anyways down, and I feel and I sense that any kind of a short-term bounce back from here on can be looked as an opportunity to go short. The important thing in tomorrow's trade is whether today's low gets broken or not, and if it holds and if it manages to bounce back, 44,300 for the Bank Nifty is going to be an important resistance, short-term resistance in tomorrow's trade. We need to trade carefully, cautiously. I hope you've traded well. Take care of yourselves. Good night.